Ever pass the wrong number of arguments to a function and wish JavaScript could handle it gracefully? The rest parameter is your solution. The rest parameter collects all remaining arguments passed to a function into a real JavaScript array. Say you're building a sum function that needs to handle any number of values. With the rest parameter, you write ... numbers in your parameter list, and JavaScript bundles everything you pass into an array you can immediately use with array methods like reduce. The syntax is simple but strict. You write 3 dots followed by your parameter name, like ... args. But here's the catch. The rest parameter must be the absolute last parameter in your function definition. You can have regular parameters before it, but nothing can come after. This ensures JavaScript knows where to stop collecting individual arguments and start bundling the rest. Don't confuse rest parameters with the spread operator. They look identical, 3 dots, but they work in opposite directions. Rest parameters gather multiple values into one array in a function signature. Spread operators expand an array into individual values when you're calling functions or building new arrays. Same syntax, opposite jobs. Rest parameters replace the old arguments object from legacy JavaScript. Unlike arguments, which is array-like but not a real array, rest parameters give you actual arrays with full access to map, filter, and reduce. They're cleaner, more predictable, and work perfectly with arrow functions, where arguments doesn't even exist. Rest parameters elegantly collect variable arguments into arrays using ... syntax. Practice this pattern, and you'll write flexible functions that scale effortlessly. Keep coding. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.